Oh, hey, I didn't see you there. I was just about to get into this sausage and peppers. Get a good look at that. Street cart style sausage and peppers. Let's get into the recipe. I'll show you how I made it. You're gonna like this one. I'm gonna start my sausage and peppers recipe by browning some spicy Italian sausage. You can use a little bit of oil just to keep it from sticking, but honestly the sausage is going to render its own fat. So just let that get nice and brown and then flip them over. And while your sausages are browning, we're going to slice up some peppers and onion. Onions and your pepper. Right, the sausages are getting nice and brown. Let's take a look. Oh yeah, that's what we want. Now that my sausages have gotten nice and brown, I'm going to take them out. They're not fully cooked on the inside, so they're going to go back in later. But for now, we'll take them out, and then we're going to pour off this excess oil. Now we're going to saute those onions and peppers, and we'll let the vegetables help to deglaze the pan and get some of that fond, the bits of cooked meat juices off the bottom. You can add a little water later if you need to get more of the fond up, but the onions and peppers should help a lot. And we add about a 1/4 cup of ketchup, and we're going to cook the ketchup a little bit to get a little bit of that rawness out of it. Cook it with the onions and peppers for just a few minutes. Add in a sprinkling of dried oregano and a little red pepper flake if you like it extra spicy. I'm already using a spicy sausage, so I'm not going to add the red pepper flake. And then a dash of red wine vinegar, about 2 tablespoons, depending on how vinegary you like it. Add in about a cup of water. Add the sausages back in, and then any accumulated juices, and then let that simmer for 15 to 20 minutes, turning it in sauce. Let the water evaporate and cook until those sausages are done on the inside. And that is done. Our street cart sausage and peppers are ready to serve. Let's toast up a bun and have dinner. Let's fix up one of these sausage and peppers. Got to get lots of sauce on top with the red wine vinegar, pretty red and yellow peppers, sauteed sweet onions. Oh man, get a good look. Don't you wish you could take a bite? So our street cart style sausage and peppers are ready. Look at that. I used a spicy Italian sausage, but you can use a mild or a sweet Italian sausage, whatever you like. Or you can spice up the sauce instead with little red pepper flakes. Put a little oregano there, some red wine vinegar, and of course the secret ingredient, ketchup. Man, let me tell you, that's some good eating. Please like this video and subscribe for more great videos like this, and then get you some sauces and peppers. Have a delicious day.